This is just to show how to add custom margins to Canva. You go up to File, View Settings, make sure your rulers and guides are on. So now you can see you have your rulers going. Next, we're going to go to View Settings, Add Guides, because remember we want custom guides. Hit Custom. You're going to turn off the columns completely. And what I like to use is a 1/4 inch margin, which is usually about the minimum that you can go before you're into no man's land. So we'll put in 0.25. Some prefer half, but this is what we're going to go with for now. And then you can see Canva has plotted out where those are going to go. Hit Add Guides. Now your guides are there and locked. When you add one of your elements, they will snap to those guides. And then you know not to put anything beyond there unless you want to bleed. That's a conversation for a different time, but I will show you what that looks like. This is really more for if you're getting it professionally printed. And that's how you add a custom margin.